The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker in stainless steel is a spacious appliance perfect for serving large gatherings or preparing sizable roasts. Its high and low cooking settings provide flexibility, while its dishwasher-safe components ensure easy cleanup. Customers praise its quality materials and user-friendly design, making it a kitchen essential. The Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 pressure cooker offers unmatched versatility with its various cooking functions and programmable options. Its premium inner pot transitions seamlessly from stove to Instant Pot, while safety features ensure peace of mind for larger meal preparations. With top cooking performance and innovative features, it guarantees delicious results every time. The Crock-Pot large 8-quart programmable slow cooker is ideal for holiday dinners, accommodating large quantities of food with its digital timer and auto-warm setting. Its durable construction and dishwasher-safe components ensure longevity and easy cleanup, making it a reliable choice for any kitchen. The Toshiba EM131A5C BS countertop microwave oven provides convenient pre-programmed settings for popular foods and a large capacity for versatile cooking needs. Its stylish design and practical features, like the mute function, make it a user-friendly option with easy cleanup for everyday use. The BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 digital microwave oven offers quick and convenient cooking with its pre-programmed buttons and compact design. Its safety features and ease of use, along with a sleek stainless steel finish, make it a popular choice for small kitchens or dorm rooms. The T-fal 3.5L deep fryer with basket simplifies frying with its innovative oil filtration system and precise temperature control. Its generous capacity and safety features ensure efficient and worry-free frying, while dishwasher-safe components make cleanup effortless. The Presto 05420 FryDaddy electric deep fryer is perfect for small servings of crispy fried foods with its compact design and automatic temperature control. Its non-stick surface and snap-on lid make cleaning and storage hassle-free, earning high ratings for ease of use and durability. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender offers powerful blending performance with its peak blending power and patented wave action system. Its versatile functions and dishwasher-safe components make it a convenient choice for smoothies and more, while its compact design fits easily on any countertop. The Ninja BN401 Nutri-Pro Compact Personal Blender packs ultimate power for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with its 1100 peak watt motor. Its Auto IQ programs and nutrient extraction capabilities ensure easy one-touch results and healthy beverages. Making it a convenient and versatile addition to any kitchen.